Okay, we have both of our cow dogs working. There's Blue doing that dog, and Cricket is down there with a bunch of cows. They love to work, especially Cricket. Sometimes Cricket will go a little overboard and bite their tail.
Oh, that's just to help get them going.
Yes, but and
Cricket, get back!
so the dogs scare the cows by either nipping or barking or running at them. And that is how we keep the cows in the right spot. So if the cows start to go in the wrong spot, the dogs know to get them. So. And there,
that'll do, easy.
And yeah, Cricket just bit a cow's tail. So, yeah.
We're doing our second cow move of the day. So what we're moving them to, normally we'd be putting them out into our pastures right now. But unfortunately, we hardly got any rain this spring. We thankfully did get that general rain here a couple weeks ago, I guess now. And got 2 inches then. But before that, we had nothing. So this field here we're going on to. Get my camera to focus, is this would actually be getting hayed or put into haylage. So that is hay that's cut and then wrapped when it's wet and put into the big long white tubes. And we have to put them on here right now because what's happening is all the grass is heading out, so it's not going to keep growing anymore. So we will put these cows on there, let them trim it down a bit, and then we'll move them onto our pastures, and hopefully we keep getting rain and have some hay to cut and be able to use it to feed for the winter time. So when moving cows, you always got the one lead cow. You're going to always have one cow that's in front of everybody else, and she's going to lead everybody, and you just hope that she leads everybody the right way. So out we go here. Oh, gotta go. Gabby, do you like moving cows?
No.
Is there one good thing about it?
Driving the quad.
Hi, Connell. Hi. Do you like moving cows today?
Yes.
Was there some bad things that happened?
Yes.
What happened? The cows rejected you?
Yeah. And they went the wrong way.
They went the wrong way? They weren't listening to you?